Hi, my name is Andrea Amico. I'm the founder of Privacy for Cars. And sometimes when you delete personal information from cars, you will encounter special situations. A key is missing. A system has an aftermarket unit. Or just in this case, the unit doesn't have Bluetooth. So how do you report those exceptions? Well, through our exception reporting tool.
When the unexpected happens in your vehicle lot, Privacy for Cars makes it easy to log those instances so your compliance reports are 100% complete and accurate. Just start by tapping Report Exception immediately after scanning the VIN. The most common exception with vehicles is that your car may not be equipped with Bluetooth navigation or a universal garage door opener and have no data to delete. As with all exceptions, we recommend you enter a comment and possibly take a photo to document what happened with that vehicle. If you encounter an aftermarket unit, please let us know what model and take a photo. If you cannot start the vehicle, or if the key is missing, or if the unit is damaged or missing, you can select the appropriate item in the drop-down menu. We have other entries for total loss vehicles or other special situations you may encounter as you delete data from cars. It is unlikely, but should you encounter an issue with the app itself, you can communicate that to us through our exception reporting tool as well. And just in case your operators forget to file an exception before selecting a system, we introduced an exception reminder. If they select a 3-star rating or below, their phone will vibrate and prompt them to file an exception and take a photo, if that's the root cause of the issue. Thanks to Privacy for Car, no matter what happens in the field, you can always let us know what is going on, including exceptions, through our exception reporting tool.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tips and tricks, go to www.privacyforcars.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.